Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hello, it's me, LaShawn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me here. It's beautiful here in Jacksonville, and we are getting ready to meal plan. Now, it's a very simple chore that I do every single week. I don't tape it every week, but I do it every single week. You know why? Because I'm always hustling. I'm always trying to save a buck. Some way, somehow, I've got to make it. And I want to have some meat. So in order to put meat on my food budget, I have to stretch my budget. I have to stretch each dollar. So the way that I do that is I coupon, I meal plan, and I plan everything, every single dollar, every single meal. So if you've never seen any of my meal planning videos, I'll explain. You only need 2 things. You need to find the sale paper from whichever store you're going to go to. Here in Jacksonville, we get Publix, Winn-Dixie, Harvey, Save-A-Lot, and Aldi's. Those come every Wednesday in our regular mail. So I can decide where I'm going to go. Sometimes it's not dictated by the sale. Sometimes it's dictated on the closest place to me. Because if I have to Uber or Lyft, then that is a cost that I have to add in. Also, sometimes I order from Walmart and the delivery comes here. But I really would prefer to pick out my own stuff, especially like fruit and your meats and stuff like that. But I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to get meat. But what I do is I decide which sale paper I'm going to use, and then I get one of my handy dandy markers. Now, this is my excitement. Okay, so don't judge me. I changed the colors of my markers. We're going to go with pink for today. And I go through the sale paper and I decide what I'm going to get and I circle it. And then I take this to the store and I go strictly from my list. That is how I go in the store and don't spend money on anything that I cannot afford or that is not on my list. Okay, so let's get started. Now, on the very first page, that's a good deal right there, $1.69 a pound on the drumsticks. But drumsticks are at the bottom of my food chain. Breast are number 1, wings, then thighs, and then the legs are at the very bottom. But I'll get them if I have to, but I'll put them in the oven. Most of the time I'll barbecue them or something because I just don't like them. But I will use them if I have to. So that's all I see on this first page. Next, we're going to, right over here, I see some margarine. We're going to circle that because I need some margarine. And they have Sara Lee on the front bread. Now I'm going to circle the bread, but I'm not going to get Sara Lee. I will get the Winn-Dixie brand or the Harvey's brand or the Publix brand. Whichever store I go to is always cheaper. But Sara Lee is the best bread though. But that just reminds me that I have to get it. Next, we're going to circle these Lay's potato chips because I do lunch. I make turkey sandwiches, and every now and then I'll use a couple of chips. But the store brand is just as good. Sometimes they are saltier, but if you get the no-name brand, less salt or unsalted, then it'll be fine. Okay, so, oh, I see something. They have the Ritz crackers, but I'm not going to get Ritz. I'll get the store brand because I'm going to make tuna fish this week, most definitely. Tuna fish is a low-cost way to save money. I love tuna fish, but sometimes I get tired of it. Let's see what they got on this page. What is that? Chicken breast. Ooh. They got it buy one, get one free, but $14 a pack, really? That's not no sale. So we won't be getting that. Ground beef not on sale. We won't be getting that. We don't need turkey either because I still have turkey left in my container. And it's a resealable container, which is, I would recommend. They got a rotisserie chicken for $9. That's not a sale. If you can get a whole chicken, you can make it yourself for $3 cheaper than that. Let's see what else. I see the potatoes, but I'm not going to get the potatoes this week. I still have a box of mashed potatoes that I have to use first. But they do have the dinner rolls right here, and we're going to circle those. I love bread. And sometimes I really want dinner rolls. What I do is I take half of them and I put the other half in the freezer. Okay, let's see what they got. They got fish. Let's see if they got tilapia or flounder. They got both. They got flounder and they got tilapia. $4.99 a pack. We're going to circle that. That's one of the meals we're going to eat. We're going to eat some fish this week. And what is this? Is those scallops? Yeah, the $10.99. I'm not even going to tell you. It's like 6 of them. That's not a good price. They got cod. No. Oh, my goodness. Look how much that shrimp costs, you guys. Oh, my goodness. Okay, that's it on that page. Let's see what else we got here. The ragu. They got the ragu up there. Excuse me. But we don't need ragu. I have some ragu sauce. We don't need that. We do need cheese, though. I haven't come across it. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to circle this syrup because we still got waffles in the freezer from the last time I went to the grocery store. And so the syrup is getting low, so we're going to get another syrup. And we're going, oh, there's my cheese. We're going to circle this cheese. And this is Kraft cheese, very expensive. But we're not going to get that, but it reminds me that I need to get some cheese. And I always look for 7-Up or Sprite, with 7-Up being my favorite, but sometimes they don't have it. Cheez-Its. Let's turn the page. And I always try to look before I leave the house so I'll know exactly what I need. Let's see. Let's see, that's a whole ham. I usually don't eat ham except like Thanksgiving and they got Sprite but no 7-Up. So we're gonna circle the Sprite. It's really hard to find 7-Up. They always have it though at Walmart. Let's see. No, no. Let's go to the next page. Ooh, look at the ice cream. That's a shame. Oh my goodness. Breyer's Natural Vanilla is delicious. And that's the one they advertising. The problem is ice cream in that quart like that gets, what's the word? Freezer burn in my house because it's just me. And so I don't buy them anymore. But the little ones like this cost the same as the big ones. So it's just ridiculous. Okay. Let's see. I need milk, but I always get milk. So they don't never advertise milk unless it's almond milk or soy milk. But I always get it. So let's see what's on this other page. Iced tea. I don't never buy iced tea. They always got alcohol though. A whole section. They always got a whole section of alcohol. Look at this. Look at all that. That's all alcohol. Well, they could have had meats for me to pick meat. They got Tombstone pizza for $4.99. And because part of my budget is not going to Pizza Hut, every now and then I'll get a Tombstone. Because Tombstone not too bad. If you get the pepperoni's way too salty for me. But if I get the sausage and cheese, it's not too bad. But they really don't do the sausage cheese no more. It always say pepperoni sausage cheese. And even if you pick the pepperonis off, the pizza still tastes salty to me. So, okay, there go the bacon. Oh my goodness, that bacon is $11.99 a pack. That's a shame. That's a shame. But they got the Febreze air freshener for $3.29. And you know why I'm gonna circle that? Let me show it to you first. See that Febreze for $3.99? They got great smells. The jasmine, the vanilla, all that. Well, I clipped a coupon this week for the Febreze, buy one, get one free. That's right, I got a buy one, get one free out of those coupons I get in the mail. So I will get 2 of those for the $3.29. So you paying about $1.70 per. And I save coupons like that, and for my Dawn and my Angel Soft. And that's going to be it. Now, unless they got it on this, oh, there we go. I was just going to say, I have to get some kind of fruit. You have to see what's on sale. And if they don't have any on sale, they got 3 for $10. Now, they do have where you can get the watermelon, the cantaloupe, or the honeydew in a little container for $3 or $5. So we're going to go ahead and circle that, because I'll get whichever one look fresh. So that's our fruit for the week. We're not going to get the potatoes. And it looked like we're not going to get any meat this week. It's a disappointment, but I cannot afford to get meat this week. Nothing is on sale for us this week. But I still have 1 chicken breast in the freezer. So I'm good. But we just try to, there we go. All the way on the last page, you guys. There's my 7-Up. So there's my 7-Up. And I got all my meals together. And that's it. That is it. And we are through with our meal planning for the week. It doesn't take long, and it's really beneficial to take the time to do that, because you're saving money. You're making a list, so to speak. And you're going in that store and you're focusing on the things that you need. You already been through your cabinet. You already been in the pantry, the freezer, in the refrigerator, so you won't double up and get something that you already have. Because if you didn't do that beforehand, I wouldn't have knew I need rice, or I wouldn't have knew I need mashed potatoes or whatever. It is. You don't want to double up and keep buying the same thing over and over when you already have it. So meal planning is beneficial. Now, I always speak first person. It has saved me a bundle, and that's why I do it. Some weeks I can get meat, some weeks I can't afford to get meat, but I'm good. So that's it. That's all I got for you this week. I hope and pray that all my meal planning ideas and tips will help you the next time that you go to the grocery store. So at this time, if you haven't already, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But more than that, you have to click that bell so you're notified every single time I come out with a new video. Okay, it's time to breathe in, breathe out. You ready? Breathe in, breathe out. Ooh, we thank you, Father. We're so grateful. Now, wherever you're going today, whatever you got to do, be happy, be joyful, and put a smile on your face and treat people with dignity and respect. Okay? So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.